Hi everyone. Today I'll do a demo of the Git integration in the Trango Compute platform. So within your workspaces in the Trango Compute platform, you can always add Git repositories here. You can clone them. But before you do, as a user, you need to add your credentials. To do that, go to Settings, Git, and then here you can add your credentials. Now, I already have credentials for GitHub, but if, for example, I had my Git repository in Azure, I could also add dev.azure.com here. Or let's say I have my Git repositories in a GitLab instance locally in my network, I could also add it here. The point is, you could have any kind of Git repository, and you can always clone it in the Trango Compute platform. So let's go back to the workspace, and I'll clone my sample Git repository that I have over here with the demo. I'll hit create, and my Git repository is here. So let's go and open a notebook in there. Here you can see on the top, it tells me that I'm in the main branch. So I'll click it, and I'll create a new branch. Let's say demo, right? I'll create it, and now I'm in the demo branch. So my notebook is open in the demo branch right now. Now let me make some very small changes. Change the number of samples to 1,000,000. Maybe the centers in here to 4, and also the number of clusters to 4. Just random changes. These are not related to the demo. I'll also make changes in the other file. I'll just change the sample count here to 1,000. And if I click here now, it will show me the diff of the branch with my changes. And I can see the changes in pure Python over here. It's not like a notebook, a Jupyter Notebook diff. I'll add a commit message, and I can also push those changes to my demo branch. They're done, close it. And if I go here, it tells me the demo branch was created and something was pushed. And you can see here, the notebooks are stored purely as Python files. And not as Jupyter Notebooks, which is good if you have to do code reviews with this. So that's it. That's the demo.